Jake Claver, director at Digital Ascension Group and CEO of Beyond Broke LLC, believes XRP would stand out as the only regulated digital asset in the US when the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit ends. According to Claver, this should elevate XRP to a unique position, driving institutional adoption and greater volumes on exchanges. Claver shared this bullish insight while speaking to Versan Aljara in the latest episode of the Black Swan Capitalist YouTube channel. "I think the lawsuit solved a couple different problems. Let's say it does end before there is congressional legislation that comes around these assets. XRP will be the only thing that has clarity," Claver emphasized. He further stressed, "So, what are these financial institutions going to do when everything else is in the air and that one gets given a designation? They're going to jump out of everything that they have and pour into this. So what does price look like on the secondary market when all that volume moves to exchange?" Claver highlighted that, despite what a lot of people believe, the SEC lawsuit might actually come with a lot of benefits for XRP. He called attention to the fact that the community is only focused on the negative effects of the litigation without paying attention to the potential benefits. The recent comments from Claver echo the sentiment held by a small group of industry leaders who believe the SEC lawsuit might be a game-changer for XRP. Notably, Ben Armstrong, popularly known as BitBoy, previously mentioned that XRP would stand out as the only digital asset that has gone through trial and classified as a non-security. As reported last month, BitBoy highlighted that assets such as Bitcoin labeled as non-securities have not been subjected to any trial. The crypto influencer disclosed that he believes this unique position would drive demand into XRP, making it one of the biggest gainers in the next bull run. Claver holds a similar sentiment. So, what happens if XRP is declared a security? "I don't believe it's going to unfold this way, but what would happen if, let's say, XRP Ultimate was classified as a security?" Aljara asked Claver in the recent Black Swan Capitalist interview. Claver asserted that if the asset is classified as a security, institutions that transmit transactions in XRP would need to acquire a broker-dealer license in order to facilitate these transactions. He further noted that one of the major implications would be the taxing approach. "The main reason people don't hold or use it currently is they don't know how it's going to be taxed. Is it a currency? Is it a commodity? Is it a security?" he remarked. Claver further noted that classifying XRP as a security would limit the number of exchanges that could trade it. He stressed it would impede exchanges' ability to trade the asset if it were regulated as a security, and Uphold doesn't care because they have a securities license. Notably, despite being headquartered in the US, Uphold continues to trade XRP amid the SEC's litigation. The exchange already has a license to trade securities, while platforms such as Coinbase do not. Claver believes these platforms would need to obtain a securities license to trade XRP if the court classifies it as a security. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Attorney Bill Morgan, a notable Australian-based lawyer and commercial litigation specialist, has highlighted a major contributing factor to the argument that XRP should not be classified as a security. In a tweet yesterday, Attorney Morgan explained that if U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres rules that Ripple's XRP sales to on-demand liquidity clients are not investment contracts, it will help clarify that XRP itself is not a security. If Judge Torres found that sales to ODL customers are not investment contracts, not an investment, no expectation of profit, immediate use of the XRP, etc., which would make it clear once and for all that XRP itself is not a security, said Morgan. The pro-XRP lawyer made the assertions in response to a Twitter thread by Jesse Hines, the founder of SeatStarter. In the thread, Hines speculated that Ripple would be found guilty of violating United States securities laws through its early sales of XRP. However, he further asserted that the court would also rule that the blockchain company is no longer violating these securities laws due to its current approach to XRP sales. For context, Ripple has been selling XRP exclusively to ODL clients since the SEC lawsuit commenced. According to Hines, the main question is whether Judge Torres will rule on whether XRP is a security. He noted that the SEC has been using its recent claims to compel the judge into declaring XRP a security. Hines said if Judge Torres comments on the legal status of XRP, she will likely conclude that the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market cap is not an investment contract. Morgan, commenting on this development, asserted that Hines' analysis demonstrates how a digital asset can transition from being classified as a security to not being one. According to Morgan, for a crypto asset to lose its security status, it must align more closely with four key factors: economic reality, technology, the law, and its legal classification in other jurisdictions. Morgan's remark syncs with his previous assertions that XRP cannot be a security. As reported earlier, Morgan noted that XRP could not be considered a security due to Ripple's transitioning from programmatic and institutional sales of XRP to sales specifically to ODL clients. According to Morgan, XRP use in ODL does not satisfy any of the elements of the Howey test, thus implying that Ripple's XRP sales to ODL customers do not constitute an investment contract. Hence, XRP cannot be considered a security. Before I continue, I want to tell you something about DexPool. It's a self-composed liquidity provider. Known as a market maker, it's like someone lending their crypto assets to a platform to help with the decentralization of cryptocurrency trading. In return, you receive rewards with fees generated by trades on that platform, something many consider a form of passive income, and you can get it if you use DexPool. Important to clarify that anyone can add liquidity to decentralized platforms such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. through DexPool. DexPool has a welcome special sign-up bonus, which you can claim as long as you use the link provided in the video description. This bonus consists in getting up to 100 XRP. It is a 10 days liquidity bonus. The offer is limited. When you make a deposit, you will receive this bonus. Furthermore, Max Keiser, a prominent crypto enthusiast and well-known Bitcoin maximalist, has resumed his attack against XRP. In a tweet on May 23rd, Keiser claims El Salvador's legal position on cryptocurrencies defines XRP as a shitcoin. This is a term used to describe a cryptocurrency that is considered to have little to no value or credibility. It often refers to cryptocurrencies with questionable technology, weak development teams, limited utility, or fraudulent intentions. Keiser's latest remarks came in response to a statement from Ripple CTO David Schwartz, who commented on the SEC's legal position on crypto assets. If the SEC's legal position means all tokens but Bitcoin are securities, then the stakes are whether U.S. persons can participate legally in everything else in the crypto space, Schwartz emphasized. This triggered Keiser's reaction. In a tweet, he declared that anything not Bitcoin is considered a security in El Salvador. He added that XRP is among the list of crypto assets classified as securities in El Salvador. Expectedly, these recent statements have generated an unfavorable reaction from the XRP community. Despite referencing Schwartz's comments, Keiser expressed his discontent with the response he received from XRP enthusiasts who criticized his characterization of the coin as a security. It is worth noting that Keiser, a Bitcoin advisor to the government of El Salvador, has positioned himself as a major critic of XRP and other altcoins. However, Keiser has been more focused on XRP in recent times. Last week, he claimed that SEC Chairman Gary Gensler was right to state that most cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin are securities. Furthermore, he stated that the Commission was right to go after Ripple for violating U.S. securities laws. Now to the big question of the day. Is this the best time to invest in XRP? Analysts have taken a particular interest in XRP of late. Matthew Dixon, the CEO of AI-powered crypto rating Resourcify, is the latest financial expert to forecast the asset's next direction. Dixon believes the asset would skyrocket to the 65 cents territory in the foreseeable future. In a follow-up analysis that builds upon his earlier findings, Dixon emphasized that XRP has continued to move in the preset direction, eliminating the need to update his previous chart. Citing data from a 4-hour XRP chart, the financial expert forecasted that XRP would initially rise to the 49 cents price zone to complete what he calls Wave X. Afterwards, XRP is expected to experience a massive drop which would see it plummet to as low as 38 cents next month. This would represent the completion of Wave Y. However, Dixon notes that the asset is poised to engineer a comeback from this position. According to him, XRP would rebound, skyrocketing to the 65 cents territory. The last time the asset saw this zone was in May 2022. A rise from 38 cents to 65 cents would mark a 71% increase. According to Dixon, XRP's drop to the 38 cents territory would present an attractive opportunity for investors to take advantage of to augment their holdings. There should be some excellent risk-reward ratios on offer. This is once again an exciting time to be in crypto. Don't miss the boat, he remarked. Notably, Egreg, a prominent crypto analyst, also predicted a price surge to the 60 cents territory for XRP on its journey to greater heights. Egreg disclosed in a recent analysis that the asset could skyrocket to 67 cents if it can close above a mini descending channel he identified on the daily time frame. Meanwhile, XRP continues to hold above the 46 cents level. The asset is trading for 46 cents, up 0.79% in the past 24 hours. XRP has gained by 7.63% over the past week. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.